So, a soldier on a border needs to have leadership, courage, and an ability to cooperate with the team.
Which branch of armed forces appeal to you?
Ma'am, I want to join the Indian Air Force as a fighter pilot.
Okay. One more thing. What are the major problem of Chhattisgarh?
So, there is only one major problem, and that is Naxalism in certain districts of Chhattisgarh.
What's your name?
So, my name is Harshita Yadav.
Harshita Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me the meaning of your name?
So, the meaning of my name is happiness.
Happiness.
Yes.
All right. Where do you belong to?
So, I belong to Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Can you please tell me something about Chhattisgarh?
So, Chhattisgarh is known as the rice bowl of India, and it is very rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, and bauxite. So, it is also situated in central India and was divided from Madhya Pradesh on 1st of November 2000. Other than that, there are many major rivers like Mahanadi River, Indravati River, and Shivnath River. And the famous tourist places include Indravati National Park, Mungirwari National Park, Dongargarh, etc.
Okay, Harshita, who inspired you to join armed forces?
So, my father.
All right. Can you please tell me something about your father? What does he do?
So my father is a squadron leader in Air Force who is currently serving as the commanding officer of 344 TRA in Guwahati.
Okay. Let's say if you are a soldier on a border,
Yes.
what qualities are you required?
So a soldier on a border needs to have leadership, courage, and an ability to cooperate with the team.
Congratulations, Harshita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Which attempt was it?
Ma'am, it was my third attempt.
Third attempt.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what happened in the first two attempts?
Ma'am, in my first attempt, I was not prepared as I did not know about RIMC. And in my second attempt, I was held back in mathematics.
Okay. So, this time you worked very hard.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you want to join the armed forces.
Yes, ma'am.
Which branch of armed forces appeal to you?
Ma'am, I want to join the Indian Air Force as a fighter pilot.
Very nice. As a fighter pilot.
Yes, ma'am.
Why not as a navigator or a ground duty officer?
Ma'am, as I've always been interested in aviation and flying advanced jets.
Okay. So, what do you know about Indian Air Force?
Ma'am, it was formed on 8 October 1932. The motto is Touch the Sky with Glory or Nabha Shrishtam Diptam. And otherwise, talking about jets, there are many such as Rafale, Mirage 2000, and Sukhoi, Su-30 MKI, and Tejas. There are many missiles such as Agni, BrahMos, Prithvi, Pralay, etc.
What is the difference between Rafale and Sukhoi?
Ma'am, Rafale is more advanced because it has a better radar system and better missiles.
From where did India buy Rafale?
Ma'am, from France,
And Sukhoi?
Russia.
Okay, Harshita, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, you said that the meaning of your name is happiness. Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You mentioned that Mahanadi is flowing through the Chhattisgarh,
Yes, sir.
and Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is IST, and is IST passing through the Chhattisgarh?
So IST is Indian Standard Time, and I don't think it passes through Chhattisgarh.
Okay. You don't think
Yes, sir.
it may be passed through the Chhattisgarh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more thing. Indravati river is also flowing through the Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
And there is a waterfall at the Indravati river,
Sir, Chitrakota Fort.
Chitrakoot waterfall, and it is also called as the Niagara of India.
Yes, sir.
What is Niagara?
So Niagara is a waterfall.
Waterfall. Where it is situated?
So in America.
In America
Yes, sir.
or Canada?
So like in the border.
At the border.
Yes.
But the scenic view of the Niagara waterfall is seen from the Canada side, not from the USA side, because it is at actually Niagara river, which is a tributary of the St. Lawrence. Okay. It's meet in USA, but the scene is seen from the Canada side. One more thing. You said that Chhattisgarh is separated from the
Madhya
MP in 2000.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about which article is empowered the government to make the new states?
No, sir, I'm not sure.
One more thing. Is there any national park in Chhattisgarh?
So there is Kangar Valley National Park.
Kangar Valley.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For which fauna it is actually formed? To protect the which fauna? Have you heard about the fauna and flora?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the fauna and animal?
So fauna is the particular animals which is found in
Yeah.
a state.
Okay.
And animals refer to the whole species.
Okay. One more thing. You mentioned that you would like to join the Air Force.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the drone and missile?
So drones are controlled by humans
Okay.
through devices, and they can drop like small missiles.
Okay. One more thing. What are the major problem of Chhattisgarh?
So there is only one major problem, and that is Naxalism in certain districts of Chhattisgarh.
Suppose that you become the chief minister, the any constitutional put or governor. Suppose that you become the governor of the Chhattisgarh. Then what type of step would you take to eradicate the Naxalism from the Chhattisgarh?
Sir, I'll probably put security forces near that and stop people that follow this.
Okay. Thank you, Harshita.
Thank you, sir.